Hello, welcome to yet another fresh episode of my process. Hello, guys. So, this is my process of freelancing, and I am Hitesh Bachani. So, this is episode number 3, wherein I am sharing that I have started learning to code. सीखते रहो और आगे बढ़ते रहो हमेशा. So, one should never stop learning, yeah, no matter what your age is. So many people think, especially in India, I see around it, whenever they finish their schooling or their college, they just think that it's over, that they don't have to learn anything, they know it all, and they can go in the real world. And then they realize that they know nothing, but still they don't learn, and they waste their time in all the other shits. I'm sure that if you are watching this video because of the title that सीखते रहो आगे बढ़ते रहो, so you are more like me, who wants to learn constantly, who wants to experiment new things constantly. So without taking much time, I will start. So I started learning to code. By the way, I have also started learning to code around 2 months or 3 months back through Code Academy. Yeah, I took their one of their courses. It was good, nice experience, but then I got stuck because of my freelancing work that I'm doing, graphic designing freelancing work. So I got some work there. I was not getting enough time to learn code, but now I finally managed to get some time because I started again, and this time through Tanay's playlist. So if you don't know who's Tanay, I'm talking about Tanay Pratap. He's a senior develop engineer at Microsoft, or was. I think he left now, as far as I am updated about him. So you can check out his playlist on his YouTube channel, which is titled by Neoji Camp Level 0. I will give the link in the description below, so you can check him out also. And talking about other things, yeah, so far his coding experience is good, best experience in learning this. So I'm really enjoying it. If you want to experiment new things or start your journey, or aren't sure, or start freelancing but aren't sure where to start, graphic, coding, pick this. Go through that course. It's free of cost. It's on YouTube. It's available for the lifetime. So you can go there, go through that course, but go that through discipline. Practice it and see, get your hands dirty. Only then you will know you like coding or not. Like I am doing both the things. I am doing my freelancing in graphic designing, and now I'm learning coding. So it's mix and match. Maybe in future I combine both the skills, and God knows, I work in some startup helping them with my these skills, or maybe I start my own startup. Who knows? So what I want to talk is, yeah. So I was telling that if you, by the way, if you are joining his or learning through Tanay Pratap, also message me on Twitter. I will give my Twitter handle in the description. So you can message me, we can learn together, be friends together, and make money together in the future. Grow together, learn together. And by the way, I have made something through going through his level 0 course. I have only gone through the first episode, and I have learned something. So I will also let you know what I have learned and made in my learning period. I will share with you all in the description. Also, tell me in the comments that how are you playing. It's a game, quiz game. So how is it? Tell me in the comments. I would love to know your feedback.